Okay, so this is all about being able to help them with self-selection. What you want to do is take some tape and then roll it onto our tabletop. Next, you're going to take the lids off whatever essential oil you'd like to give them choices on. And what I do is I place them in the same order away from the animal as I do on the tape, so I know which lid goes with what. And often I have the name of the oil written on the top. So they're pretty sticky, and the most important thing is gives you enough time if they do bite at it, because you don't want them to swallow it. But when they really like an oil, often they will bite at the cap. So we now have our oils here, and we allow the pet then to come over and sniff and react to the different oils. This would be a setup for a smaller animal. A larger animal, I'd extend the tape and I'd want them further apart, like about that. Sometimes the best thing is a 2x4 and use duct tape because it's very sticky. You put your caps on it and then present the 2x4. And that can be worked down on the floor for you very well. If you have somebody who's really handy, you can have little holes drilled in so that the cap would just basically drop in to the hole and be held. Why do we want them held? Bottom line is so that they don't ingest them. And then you give them a few minutes to see which one they react to, and their reactions can be anywhere from trying to eat it, to licking it, or to laying down by it, or rubbing up against it, or pawing it, but it's more going towards it than sometimes they won't even come near it and they'll move away, which is why it's important that we spread them out based on the size of the animal. Okay.